What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Vast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with our co-pilot Jax, and it is Monday, June 9th. We are coming to you live from Agora Hills, California, USA, at the Wallis Annenberg Wildlife Crossing. Again, we are back on site, the largest wildlife crossing in the world. We're setting the bar here. They were doing a lot of rock installation last time we were out here, so probably gonna see most of that done, I would imagine, whenever we had the cooler weather out here. Got a lot of June gloom going on this week, so we're gonna get a pretty good look, I think, at what most of the rocks is gonna be completed. Potentially, there's still a lot of work to be doing here. Just the bridge is complete. However, we're also looking at both ends that need to be confirmed, and I believe the stage 2 habitat ecosystem installation. So still a lot of work to be done around here, and we're going to be keeping an eye on it throughout the rest of the year, most likely. So on that note, it is peanut nuttier time for the co-pilot. Come here, bud. Come here. Oh yeah, peanut nuttier. Even better, maybe a second one. You want another one, buddy? The first one went down so smooth. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks, all that goes a long ways in helping us bring you guys content on the roads. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there and show you guys what's going down. Peace.